Hello, welcome to another episode of Drawing with Mr. Kindergarten. Now, just as children learn how to read and write, they can also learn how to draw, and I'm here to teach you how. Today, we're going to work on hands. Now, a lot of times children, when they start drawing, they draw their stick figures like that. They draw their hands like that. But we're going to see if we can get them to draw hands a little more realistically. They're still going to be cartoon hands, but we're going to see if we can get them on their way to drawing a little bit more, with a little bit more detail. What we're going to do first is we're going to put a big circle. That's going to be the palm of our hand. You'll notice your palm of your hand is just a circle like that. Then we're going to take this line right here, and we're going to go straight up and right back down. That's going to be our thumb. Now, before we finish with the thumb, though, we're going to put like that. It almost looks like the letter B. And we're going to erase this line right there. That was just a guiding line. Now, we're going to take a line from right here and go sliding up. And right down at the bottom, we're going to slide up right there. So these two lines are parallel, and they start on the top and the bottom like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to finish this off by putting a curve here. And this curve is the same curve as we have there. Now, my fingers are a little bit long, so I'm going to shorten them up just a little bit. Just about right there. Now, you'll notice that in cartoons, the characters will have 3 fingers here instead of 4. That's because when you're animating, it's a lot of work, and it's barely noticeable. So a lot of times, if you look at old cartoons, there's just 3 fingers here. So if you want to make it cartoon-like, put 3 fingers. If you want to make it more realistic, go ahead and put 4. Now we're going to go ahead and put 4. So we're going to put a line right here, and a line right there, and one more right there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to round off the edges of the fingers. Just put little rainbows at the end like that. And then when you're done, you go ahead and erase that little guiding line, just like that. You see it's starting to look like a hand. Right here in the middle, we're going to put a letter Y. And what that is, that's your lifeline you have right there. We're going to erase just a little bit right here on this edge, and a little bit right there. That's that line you see coming across right there. Now we're going to put some folds in here, just like that. And again, if you look at your hand, you've got folds. You actually have 3 sections on each finger. So if you wanted to do 3 sections, that's fine. But for a cartoon, we're going to just leave it like that. Now your hand is going to come out just like that, your arm, right there. So that right there is our hand. If you want to add some more details, you could go in like this and go in like that and erase this part right there. And that, again, is this fleshy part right there. So that's our basic hand. Now, once you have the hand, you can make it do a couple things. For example, this finger right here, we're going to bend this down by putting a giant C just like that, bending it over. And now you're just like that. Hard for me to do right there. All right, now we're going to take this other finger right here, and we're going to do the same thing. Bend it over just like that. And we're going to do it one more time. Just put that finger just like that. Now what we do is get rid of the thumb. Erase this part right here. And you put the thumb inside. Like this. And now, pointing off somewhere. All right, so you can add some more details. For example, on your thumb, you can put a thumbnail, you can put little fold lines. Same with these fingers right there. If you want to put some fingernails on there, just backwards, capital D's, a couple of lines right there, and you're all set. So, very simple to draw the hand. I hope you learned a few things about drawing. And if you have any suggestions, things you want to see on video, just contact us at facebook.com/MrKindergarten or go to our website at MisterKindergarten.com. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Kindergarten. Keep teaching with art, and I'll see you next time.